Welcome. In front of me I have STELIO Junior Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So if you want to change the screen brightness on your watch, first you will need to wake up the screen on it, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you will see this lock icon, and basically you need to swipe up on the screen to unlock the screen. And after you unlock the screen, swipe left on the home screen to open the menu, and keep scrolling until you find the settings icon. Not settings icon, my bad, more icon. Tap on more icon and then scroll down and find the settings icon. And then tap on it, of course. And here in settings, find the brightness and tap on it. And right here we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking. Okay, and then you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.